In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an external hard drive that isn't showing up on Windows 11. Whether you're using the drive for extra storage, backups, or sharing files between computers, it can be frustrating when it doesn't appear as expected. Let's walk through some straightforward solutions to get it back up and running. Let's first start by checking the basics. Sometimes the issue might be as simple as your drive not showing up in File Explorer. To begin, press the Windows key and the E key on your keyboard simultaneously. This handy shortcut opens up File Explorer. Once there, navigate to This PC. It's usually on the left panel. Here, under Devices and Drives, check if your external drive is listed. If it appears, you're in luck. Your computer recognizes it, and you might be good to go. If not, don't worry. There are still a few more steps we can try. Our next step is to dive a bit deeper with disk management, a tool designed to handle such issues. Start by pressing the Windows key and the X key together. A menu will pop up. From here, select Disk Management. This tool provides a detailed overview of all the drives connected to your computer, even those that might not show up in File Explorer. As Disk Management opens, scan through the list of drives displayed for your missing external drive. If you find your drive listed but lacking a drive letter, this is probably why it's not showing up in Explorer. Here's how to fix that. Right-click on the partition of your external drive. You'll see an option named Change Drive Letter and Paths. Click on that, then choose ADIDE. Select a drive letter that isn't already in use, and click OK to confirm. This simple procedure should assign a drive letter to your external drive, making it visible in File Explorer like it should be. Occasionally, you might notice that your external drive is marked as unallocated. This means that the drive's storage isn't assigned to any particular purpose, and consequently, Windows doesn't know what to do with it. To tackle this, right-click the unallocated space in Disk Management. Select the option labeled New Simple Volume. A wizard will guide you through the steps to initialize the drive and assign a letter. Be sure to follow these prompts carefully. It's a straightforward process that will pop your drive right back into existence in Windows Explorer. And there you have it. With these steps, your external hard drive should now be up and running on your Windows 11 PC. Remember, a little bit of investigation goes a long way in resolving technical hiccups like these. If your drive still doesn't show up after these steps, you might want to consider trying a different USB port, cable, or even another computer to further diagnose the problem. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to your important work or fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.